In recent times, dog strollers, also known as pet strollers, have become a familiar item among pet owners. Dog strollers are more convenient means of taking your pets out for a stroll during outings, jogging, or even when traveling. Sometimes, your dog might be too old to walk on his own, or he might just be too ill. Dog strollers come in handy to ease his movement. However, buying a dog stroller is very expensive. It is sold for almost or the same price you will get a brand new baby stroller. Apart from saving money, dog strollers are also easy to make. You can decide the size of the stroller and what you want it to look like. Also, you can incorporate your style into your design to suit your needs. How do you make a dog stroller? Simple. Convert your old baby stroller to your pet stroller. In this video, we are going to show you DIY tips on how to make your dog stroller. Supplies that you will need. 1. A fairly used jogging stroller that is still in good shape. 2. Thread and needle. 3. Scissors. 4. Mesh wires. 5. Leash. 6. Pieces of fabric. 7. Soft cushion. 8. Measuring tape. 9. Glue optional. 10. Hooks. Step 1. Remove any components of the baby stroller that is not useful in making the dog carriage, like baby straps. Also, if you don't need the seat, probably because you are making a container as a replacement, now is the time to remove it. But care must be taken not to damage the frame or other essential components of the baby stroller in the process. Step 2. Check if the seat can be reclined. For small dogs, this is not a problem. But if your dog is big, unscrew the nuts that keep it in place and check if it can be adjusted or flattened. If you cannot adjust the seat, then you might need to find another stroller. Step 3. Measure the length and width of the front part of the baby stroller. This is where the baby's legs are meant to be, but you don't need them anymore. So, you are going to cover all openings to prevent your dog's leg from being stuck inside. Also, measure the inner space where your dog will likely sit. Step 4. Using measurements you took previously in Step 3, measure the soft form or cushion and cut the right size. This will be used to cover those holes formerly made for the baby's legs. It will also serve as a comfortable base for your pet. Step 5. Measure the washcloth or pieces of fabric. Then cut the size required that will be used to wrap the soft foam or cushion mentioned in Step 4. Make sure you cut extra inches of the fabric so that it can cover the whole length of the form. Step 6. Using a thread and needle, sew the piece of fabric around the cushion edge to edge. Ensure you close all open edges with the cushion and fabric. Remember to choose fabric that are easy to wash after each use. Sewing should be done in the interior part of the carriage and not on the outside. Step 7. Now measure the length of your dog's leash from the back of the baby stroller. You should measure the correct length that your dog needs, put his size into consideration. As a guide, measure the length of leash that will allow your dog to stand, lie down, or sit while still secured with the leash. Step 8. Measure your dog leash and cut the right size following the measurement you already took. Step 9. Attach the leash by sewing it to the belt or harness at the back of the stroller's frame. If you are sewing, you must be careful not to prick your finger, or better still use thimbles and a large needle for sewing. Step 10. Using the measurements from Step 3, cut the mesh wire. Then attach them to the canopy or hood of stroller using hooks, glue, or any other adhesive of your choice for your dog's safety. You must ensure that they are fastened tightly to the canopy and the frame for your pet's maximum protection. That's it. Your dog stroller is ready for use. Since dog strollers are made from used jogging strollers, it is important you check the tires. Fix or change tires depending on the level of damage. The stroller handle must be strong enough for easy navigation of the carriage. Consider changing the stroller for a better one if any of these parts are faulty. Finally, you can design a stroller seat for dogs from your old shopping cart or any other plastic container that can support his weight. The most important thing is to ensure your buddy is comfortable and safe in his new stroller. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel. Then turn on your notification so you will be the first to see our updates. Leave your feedback, questions, or suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimstrollers.com for more stroller content. Thank you for your time.